In this video, I am explaining about the new constitution of South Africa. In my previous video, I have already told about the struggle of the South African people against the apartheid system of Britishers. Now we are talking about the new constitution. On 26 April 1994, the national flag of the Republic of South Africa was unfurled. At midnight, with the installations of multiracial government in place of the racist government, thus making the end of the infamous apartheid system in South Africa. The racist government means whatever the apartheid system which divide the human being into white and black, that is the racist government, which is aimed for the South Africa, the new Republican South Africa, or you can say the South Africa got independent from the Britishers. Now, Nelson Mandela was the leader of the African National Congress. So, he was become the president of country and also the first ever to be elected in a fully representative democratic election. The new dispensations under Mandela's visionary leadership valued democracy and all the principles it stood for. That means Mandela stated in his inauguration address to the nation that the main object of the government was to heal the division of the past and establish a society based on democratic values, justice and fundamental human rights. Democratic values means all are equal, liberty, justice. Previous chapter you already know about the democracy. So when he became the president of South Africa, he do not favor of racial government. He favor in the democratic government where each and every people would be participate with the equal rights. With this objective in view, the representative of all groups engage in long and careful consideration. Finally, came out with the final draft of the constitution in 1996. That means the new constitution of South Africa was completed, came into the force in 1996. Inaugurations of the constitution, the President Mandela said the constitution of South Africa speaks of both the past and the future. On the one hand, it is a pact in which we as South Africans declare to one another that we shall never permit a repetition of our racist, brutal and repressive past. That means he want to say that we black people of South African or the native African, the black people do not take the revenge from the whites. They do mistakes. They create a difference. They focus on the racial system, divide and rule policy. But when we black people got the independent and we got the power, we never take the revenge from them. We should be compromise with them that we all are equal. We do not take any type of repetition of the past African history. That means whatever the whites, that means the European, especially the Britishers, did against the South Africa, they do not repeat it in future. So this is the motto of the Constitution. On the one hand, in the pact, this is the actual declarations. It is also a charter for the transformations of our country into one which is truly shared by all the people. Country which is the fullest sense belongs to all of us, black and white, women and men. That means we have the equal rights. Who live in this country, they all are equal. Whatever they are, male or female, black or white or color. According to the democratic rule, they all are equal before the law. So, do not hate the white or do not take the revenge from the white. The Constitution of South Africa essentially reflects a desire to build the future of positive foundation. Instead of taking retaliatory stance and targeting the whites for the wrong committed by them in the past, it expressed the belief that South Africa belongs to all those who live there. It promised to lay the foundation for a democratic and open society. The Constitution further enjoined that the country should be governed by the democratic principle, which alone can guarantee equal protection by law to all the citizens. In the same sense, they make the Constitution. The essential rights and duties of the people as citizen of the country, as well as means for them to protect themselves against one another, are enshrined in the Constitution. So, are you clear about the apartheid system and about the making of new Constitution of South Africa? The Constitution is considered the fundamental underlying framework of government for a nation.